Do you want to send GIF on Twitter X Message? You can send GIF on X Message with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a GIF and a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where you want to send the GIF. At the bottom of the chat screen, look for the and tap on plus icon. Now, tap on the GIF icon. A GIF search panel will open on your screen. Now, type a keyword in the search bar and you will see different GIF results appear. Scroll and choose the GIF image you want to send. Tap on the GIF once to select it. It will automatically be added to your message. Now tap the send button. Your GIF will instantly be sent in the chat. The other person will be able to see and play the GIF directly in the conversation.